Today I'm going to begin a new series for Python, but before starting about the coding, I would like to tell you how to install Python with environment variable and with the external libraries like Matplotlib, Pandas and other in Python. Okay, so let's come and open Google first of all. Now pass python.org here. You can search Python download from Google also. Click on python.org, move to download option. So when you click on download Python 3.9.4, it will start downloading, and in my case it is downloaded. It is the latest version. If you wish to work on the older version, so move on downloads, click on Windows button, and it will display all the Windows version to you. Okay, now here you need to select the Python version which you wish to install, but should be select the Windows installer 64-bit or 32-bit carefully according to your machine or according to your computer. You can check this by right clicking on this PC, move to properties, and in the properties look at here, in the properties you are having system type 64-bit operating system. So in my case I am having 64-bit operating system. Check your machine first of all, after that install or download the Python. Now after downloading Python will be in your downloads folder. Double click on it. It will start installing Python. It will display the first window like this. In this window, carefully you need to click on the add Python 3.92 path. You need to click this button. After that you need to click on customize installation. Then there is no change in the second window. Click on next. In the third window you need to select it with install for all users option. Okay, you need to check this checkbox, install for all users. So it will shorten the path, and I'm shortening it more. I'm passing my Python folder inside the C drive. I'm shortening it more, and now I'm installing Python or in C drive. Click on install now. After clicking on install, it will display and pop-up window there to take your permission. So you need to click on yes option from there. Okay. Now it will take few minutes to install. Not more than 1 or 2 minutes. Once it will install, after that we will install the external libraries inside the Python. So few more seconds, after that it will be complete. It is almost done. It is done now. Now After completing the installation, you need to close it, and now Python installed in our PC. Okay, to check this that it is installed successfully or not, we need to open the IDLE. So click on window button and type IDLE. Okay, so IDLE opened. Now I am importing matplotlib as P. So look at here, right now it is displaying this error that matplot module is not in my PC. So Python is unable to import it. So let's come and install it. For installing matplotlib or other external libraries, we need to move CMD. Here in the CMD, right now it is in C drive, user folder and Sumit Srivastava folder. Okay, so you need to put cd / command here. It will redirect you at C drive. Look at here. Now I am on C drive. Okay, inside the C drive we will write pip install matplotlib and hit enter. So look at here, it is downloading it from internet. At the time of installing external libraries, it is compulsory to connect your PC or laptop with the internet, active internet plan. Okay, because the pip command download all these repositories and save it in Python. In the same way, once it will install, you can install any of the library. Like I am installing pip pandas. It will also be used in future. Pip install pandas. Hit enter. So it is installing pandas now. And after pandas, NumPy already installed. Look at here. You can check how many modules installed when we install matplotlib. Okay, all these are the required module for functioning of the matplotlib. Okay, so once a module installed in the PC with Python, we need not to install it again and again and again. Now the last package or module which you will use, it will be MySQL connector. So pip install MySQL hyphen connector. Remember this thing, when we install the module, then we will pass it like MySQL hyphen connector, but when we will use this module, at that time we will pass MySQL dot connector. Importing, at the time of importing we will pass MySQL dot connector. Okay, that's all the modules done. Okay, have a look. Matplotlib done, pandas done, and MySQL connector done. Okay, so that's all for today. Best of luck guys. I hope you can install Python and you can able to execute the installation of these external libraries. You can install any of the external library with the same way. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much.